Hi, your girl Gladys Nairobi Power Bikes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You can comment, you can also share and also like. Karibu sana. Today we are going to talk about the riding jacket. What are the advantages of the riding jackets and what should you consider before purchasing a riding jacket? So a riding jacket or a coat is a garment designed as an outerwear for riders that protects the riders' upper clothes from dirt and also provide protection in case of a fall. So we have some of the advantages when you're wearing a riding jacket. It creates attention, so everybody is able to see you very clearly, especially if your jacket is very bright. It is also a good example to other riders because it will make you look like a serious rider, and it is also a good example to other riders because it will make you look like a serious rider and the other riders can be able to envy you. A riding jacket helps to maintain your body temperature, especially on a cold day because it has a thermal covering. It is also comfortable, breathable, waterproof, windproof, and also well padded. A riding jacket is comfortable, breathable, waterproof, windproof, and also well padded. A riding jacket keeps the sun off your skin, so sunburns hurt and you can risk cancer with repeated exposure. It also keeps the wind off your skin. Wind dries out your skin and dehydrates you. So if it's hot, you will lose body moisture much faster with no jacket, risking dehydration. A riding jacket has pockets for your stuff, so you will be good carrying your phone and other stuff. A proper riding jacket will save you from a lot of road burns in the event of a fall, in case you didn't have one. That is why a riding jacket, it is armored to protect the impact prone areas such as elbows, shoulders, chest, and the spine. Sister Jen, yes, what would you say are the advantages of having this jacket, having been padded, especially on this spine? What would you say? What would you tell us?
Okay, glad that you know, spine kitu sensitive sana.
Okay.
Si unajua hivyo?
Yeah.
So, ukilinganisha mtu mwenye hana hii jacket na mtu mwenye amevalia, utapata kwamba mtu mwenye amevalia hii jacket ako na chances, yani ako na chances kidogo za ku damage the spine.
Okay.
Unaona? Unlike mtu mwenye hajavalia. Unaona? So, and pia nimeona iko na what do you call this?
Elbows.
Oh, you also got them elbows. So, this is also another advantage.
Okay.
Sababu utaona hauwezi pata na fracture. Nimesikia kitu ni hard sana. Ama ni what is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a protective elbow.
Yes. Ni kitu
ina protect your elbows.
Yes. So hawezi kuwa na fractures.
Severe fractures.
Yes. Not very severe but fractures because you know, fractures, ukipata na fracture it is very expensive.
Okay.
Yes. Ni kitu unaona, sijui kama unasikianga orthopedic surgeries. Au ndio wenye madaktari tunasemanga, madaktari wa mifupa.
Okay.
Unaona? So, mtu ako na hii jacket, sababu unaona ni jacket nzuri. Ako na yani ni ngumu sana kumia bones ama kuna fractures.
Okay.
Because hata naona kwa spine iko sawa. Remember, spine tulisema ni very sensitive. Na hata ukaongwa spine unajua sio place inatoka damu. Kuna kitu tunaitanga maji ya utu.
Maji ya utu. What is that?
Si unajua hapa kwa spine
Okay.
hakuna damu. It is maji ya utu. So, for the riders, always advise your customers to wear this jacket. It's very important. Because nimekwambia fractures number 1 na spine.
Okay.
Unaona hii kitu mnaita
Hump.
Yes, hump. Now, with the hump, how to damage your spine.
Okay.
At least hata kama itauguzwa, si kama mtu mwenye hana. We always say that protection is better than cure. Exactly. So fractures pia, na tumesema fractures is very expensive kuzitreat kwa hospitali. Na unaona hizi jacket zenu ni mzuri hivi, si ni expensive sana ama?
No, they're not really expensive. It's about 12,000 to 15,000.
Oh,
yeah.
it's what? Sababu ukilinganisha na mtu mwenye amekuja hospitali,
a patient
mwenye amekuja kwa hospitali na ako na fracture na maybe ni riders, unajua ama riders ndio sana unakuja wenye hawatumii the proper riding gear, that is helmet and the jacket. So unapata huwezi linganisha na mtu mwenye hana hii jacket, sababu treat ama hiyo treatment yote ya fracture it's very expensive. It's very expensive. You know, you need a lot of therapy, diet and whatever.
Like for how long a patient for injured in a take?
Okay.
Especially if there was no major injuries.
Okay, it depends. Depends. Because we don't have a lot of in our bodies. We have bones. Yes.
Okay.
We have the knees and the hands. So that is the elbows. So now it takes some time. Okay, linganisha na mtu mwenye havali riding jacket. Huyu ni mtu akikuja kwa hospitali atatumia pesa mingi kuliko mtu mwenye amenunua jacket. So umesema hii jacket ni 12 to 15,000. So hebu imagine mtu mwenye amekuja kwa hospitali anatumia more maybe 250,000. Na ungekuwa umenunua hii jacket at least prevent na some fractures. You get? Yes, that is the point.
Oh, that is nice. Yes. I think I need to recommend so many customers.
Yes, recommend a customer for the riding gear. It's very, very important. Remember the helmet and the jacket. Yeah?
Okay.
Yes, this jacket is